taught you about the before 3 chapters which is completed. Chapter number 1 is sentences, chapter number 2 is alphabetical order, and the chapter number 3 is noun. The noun is based on the adjective. मैंने आपको नाउन इसलिए पहले पढ़ाया कि आप एडजेक्टिव को समझ सकें. So we had to explain about the chapter of noun, then you understand what is adjective. So let's start today the new concept of this chapter, which is adjective. So the definition of this chapter, and what is the term is adjective. The term is adjectives tell us about words that describe the nouns are called adjective. The words that describe nouns, here the word use nouns is called adjective. So the words are that describe a noun. We can also tell us about an adjective is a describing word. An adjective is a describing word, and the second point is that an adjective gives us more information about something which is generally described a noun or a pronoun, which is mostly described about the noun. Okay, which is mostly described about the noun are words that describe the person, place, a thing, and an event, an idea, and so on. But mostly the noun, what is the noun? Nouns are person, place, or thing, which is describe the person, place, or thing, an idea, and concept, and all that, which is based on nouns. So here we can tell you about the adjective. Adjective term is based on the noun. So words that describe the nouns are called adjectives. Okay. Adjectives are also used to compare things. Adjectives are also used to compare thing to another thing. What? Compare one thing to another thing. First of all, just like person, places, things, and events, and animals, and these are called adjectives. So they are here the given examples, different type of adjective, so we can easily understand what is adjective. Adjective can be different times. How many times? Different types. Is there not a different types of, there are many types of adjective. You can understand, you can easily find out what is adjective. Now the first is quality, which is based on quality. The first is type is quality, which is based on quality. They are given you 3 types of adjective. First is quality, second is quantity, and third is number, and so on. Many size, indicates, that so on. So here given a 3 points to explain about the term of adjective. First is quality, is that based on the quality is based the red quality, the fresh, it is a quality, fresh, the bread is very fresh, though bread is a quality to given a term to fresh. Big quality, small is represented about the quality, red, fresh, big, small, and so on. This type of based on quality term is called adjective. Now second is that based on quantity. Now the second term is adjective for different types of quantity. Quantity means a little, more, much, most, small, bigger, biggest. These are called quantity. Which can you, quantity means आप समझते हो ना इसकी quantity कितनी है. हिंदी में जैसे हम शुद्ध हिंदी में मात्रा कहते हैं. We have to measure about, इसे measure करते हैं. इसकी level कितना, how can, most, बहुत ज़्यादा, more than, ठीक, much more. These are many, little, big, small, large, and so on, which is based on quantity, level of quantity. Little, big, small, teeny. There are so many. There are also many terms also based on quantity term. So these terms also describe about the quantity. Here the second types of adjective is explaining about the quantity. Now the third term is about the number, which is based on 1, 2, 3. You can easily understand the terms which is on number. Number is countable, which is countable 1, 2, 3. To given you 23,000. Infinite, which is based on number 1, 2, 3, and so on. 31, 1,000, 1 lakh. So we can easily find out this sentence is this word he explained about the adjective. So here given us some examples to explain about this adjective. So you can understand about the adjective term. Now the exercise is given you that circle the adjectives in the following sentences. Circle the adjectives in the following sentences. So the first question is that Swati was looking pretty in her new dress. So pretty is a term. To understand, it's represented about the quality. What quality? The Swati is represented. She looking very pretty, beautiful, gorgeous, very nice. These terms are talk about the adjective. So the next term is here the Swati is noun. You know that what is noun? Noun is a person which can explain about the person, place, things and ideas. The Swati is a noun person, okay, which can explain about them. So we can not talk about the here noun, which is talking about the adjective. What is adjective? Now the second exercise is that it was a cold and dark morning. It was a cold and dark. Dark is talk about the quality. Here quality. Okay, here the dark is talk about the quality, which is dark, green, red, yellow, black. Okay, now the third term is that third question, there was many children playing in the park. How many? Many. There is given you a many much more. Many matlab more than one, more than two. I don't know how many children are there playing in the park, but I know very well there are many children, which is explained about the quantity. What? Which is explained about the adjective, and many term used to quantity term, which is called adjective term. So many is a adjective word. For there was only one fish in the dirty pond. How many fish are there? One. So the adjective, the third different adjective can be different types of. Here the type of number third adjective, number is 1, 2, 3 and so on many times. So here the number is represented in this sentences, which is called number 1, which is called adjective. My sentence is adjective. So number 5 question, the librarian was nice and quiet. Nice is a term to represent about the adjective word. So here many so on questions to given you to exercise to find out about this adjective term. So you can easily find out what is adjective and what is word and sentences about this sentence. Okay, so now comes to the next topic. Here given you degree of comparison. Degree of comparison. So first of all, we know about the what is degree of comparison. So we can now I can explain you I can explain you about the term of this degree of comparison. First is the degree of comparison divided into 3 parts. How many parts? 3 parts. Here the first part is positive degree. Second is comparative degree. Third is superlative degree. Here are the 3 degrees given you, which is called degree of comparison. First is positive degree, second is comparative degree, third is superlative degree. Now here given some